Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to use points on Shein. So first of all, launch open Shein application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to the shop interface. So what you have to do is first of all add the items to cart. So simply tap on the item that you would like to purchase. Now after you do that, tap on the option add to cart that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to select the color, size, style, etc. Also select the quantity. Tap on the plus icon in order to increase the quantity. Tap on the minus icon in order to decrease the quantity. Now after you're done, tap on this option add to cart that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here this item has been added to the cart. Now what you have to do is tap on the cart icon that you can see at the top of your screen right next to the search bar. Now you'll be able to see all the items that you've added to the cart over here. Make sure to tap on the items that you would like to check out right now. After you're done, tap on this option checkout that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the checkout interface of Shein. So in order to use the points, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now under the section for payment method, you'll be able to find this option for apply coupon, gift card, etc. Tap on this option view more that you can see on the screen. Now right over here you'll be able to find this option for points. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see your total points over here. You can also see the maximum available points. You'll only be able to use the maximum available points over here. Right now I do not have any points, but I'll tell you what to do. So what you have to do is tap on this field that you can see on the screen and enter the number of points that you would like to use. After you do that, tap on the apply option that you can see on the screen. Now after that you'll be able to get the discount equivalent to the point that you just applied. Now after you do all that, simply follow all the processes of checkout and tap on this option continue. So like this you'll be able to use the points. So that is how you use points on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.